good, Mogul fams? And I am back with another banger. So ngibuyile with a banger namhlanje, and into engizonichazela yona is so exciting. It's full of knowledge, it's full of understanding about I Payapa Strategy. This is an amazing strategy engifuna ukuthi nginifundise sona. Okay, so it's gonna be very like on point, because ulwazi libalulekile when it comes to forex markets. Ungangeni nje kwi-forex markets without ulwazi, because you're gonna miss out a lot. Forex is not difficult as people always portray. Forex is just as easy as ABC once you get the knowledge. Fanele ubambe nje ulwazi kuphela, and I promise you, you will be so much consistent with forex platform. Excuse. So what I'm about to do right now, I'm about to click F lawyer. Then we're going to RSI. That's where we are going. Relative Strength Index. Then once you hear we relative strength index, then we go to period. Click there. Period. Period wethu uzoba 1. To apply, it's gonna be close. Then mase sishintshe style sithi 4. Ukhala wethi siyawushintsha. I'm just gonna put black la for now. Then mase siya kumani kuma levels. Let me add my levels. Add my levels army. Add my levels army. Add my levels. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So then ekuqala it's gonna be 8. Esibili it's gonna be 90. Esithathu it's gonna be 50. Esine it's gonna be 80. 20. 40. Then the last one, it's gonna be 60. So yeah, and then again susele ukugcina this one. Then mase pick mix yethu, it's gonna be 4 pixel hits. Then we're gonna change nala senze black, and then done. Press done. Yabo, isisethekile lona yethu i-RSI, as you can see from here. You can see from here ukuthi i-RSI yethu isethekile. So then the next step would be to ukufaka ama-moving averages. So siphindela khona lapha, then we click here ku indicator window 1. Then we click there, then sifaka ama-moving average. So i-moving average yethu yokuqala, it's gonna be 21. Yabo, sifaka i-moving average. This is fun. This is an amazing platform. 21, then u-shift ubu 0, then i-method kubu exponential, then u-apply u-close, then mase siya kwi-style sifaka u-2, then ukhala, let's put red. Ama-levels asingawathinti, then you say done. Okay, that's number 1. Then siphinde khona futhi lapha le click sithi move average, then sifaka bani manje u5. Sifaka u5, u-period, u-shift sishiya kunjalo, method sishiya kunjalo, no-apply sishiya kunjalo. Sizoshintsha ku-style ukhala esofaka manje asithi blue. Sithi blue for now. Mase sithi done. number 5. Yeah, sithi blue. Yeah, siphinde futhi again, moving average, shintshe number 5 sithi 3, and then shintshe color. Let's say a bit of that's done. Okay, then again add the futhi moving average, sifake number 8, change the color, let's just say green for now. Green. Yeah, then again F2 moving average, sifake 13, and then change the color, let's just say sky blue. Yeah, again F moving average, yeah, 50, then change the color, that one. Again okugcina moving average, then sifake 31. Okay, sorry for that. 31, change the color, city low, done. Yeah, and then you can see ukuthi I Payapa Strategy, it's easy complete. Then okubalekile that you need to know ukuthi I Payapa Strategy is best used 1 minute time frame, and I repeat 1 minute time frame, and kumele wenze sure ukuthi ipair ozoyi-trader izobe ine-spread esincane, because 1 minute time frame is for the purpose ukuthi you are scalping, yabo. So how do you use I Payapa Strategy? Ikanje. So every time the market goes down, ithinte la u8 lo esiwubona laphaya ekugcineni ngaphansi kwa20, it tells you ukuthi market is overbought. So at that moment when labo line sebefika bethinta u8, then it means that you have to buy. But if the market has went up and there's a fair lapha 90, it means the market is oversold. Yabo. So when what you need to do is sell. That's what you need to do, is to sell the markets. Once nje yafika ku90 lapha phezulu, you have to sell it. Yabo. When do you take your profits? Okay, so the moment ifika lapha ku90, your first take profits would be, so let's say it goes down like this, your first take profits would be 60, your second would be 40, your final will be 20. Yabo. Nakhona when it comes to when it's overbought, let's say it's going up like this from 8 going up. Then your first take profits would be at 40, and then second it's 60, then the last one it's 80. So basically that's how you do it with I Payapa Strategy settings. Make sure ukuthi you do exactly as being instructed and told, and I promise you, you will never ever regret this, because this strategy works. It works. So nje, right now, I hope ni enjoy the video. I hope ni understandile. But if it happens that you didn't understand it, then I'll drop a link below so that uzokwazi ukuthi ungibuze on a one-on-one session more about the strategy. So without you know what I'm saying, without further ado, let me just peace out.